Good afternoon, students. We'll continue the remaining problems of the matrix chapter. 25th question. A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A. A square is equal to A and I plus A whole power n is equal to I plus lambda into A, then lambda value is equal to how much? Lambda value is equal to how much? Okay. Suppose A square is equal to, use this condition, I plus A whole power n. Like induction model. Suppose if you take I plus A whole square, I plus A whole square is equal to I square A square plus 2AI. I square value I, A square value A, 2AI, 2A. This can be written as I plus 3A. I plus 3A. When I plus A whole square is equal to I plus 3A. This can be written as I plus, in terms of two options, in terms of 2n minus 1, 2 power n minus 1, 2 power n plus 1, like that options. So like that, and the 3 can be written as 2 square minus 1. 2 square means how much? 2 square means 4 minus 1, right? 2 square minus 1 will be options 2n minus 1, okay, 2 power n minus 1, okay, it is possible, right? Next one, I plus A whole cube. Next, I plus A whole cube means I plus A whole square into I plus A. Already I plus A whole square, I plus 3A, I plus 3A, then I plus A multiply I square AI 3AI plus 3A square. I square value I 3AI 4AI plus A square value A, that is equal to I plus means 4AI means 4A plus 3A. Okay, this can be written as I plus 8A. 8 how can you write in terms of this one? This can be written as I plus 2 cube 8 or 7. Sorry, 7. 7 can be written as 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube minus 1 into A. So I take I square value is equal to 2 square minus 1. I plus A whole cube is equal to I plus 2 cube minus 1 into A. That implies I plus A whole power n is equal to I plus 2 to the power of n minus 1 into A. But given I plus A whole power n value is equal to I plus lambda into A, therefore I plus 2 power n minus 1 into A. So compare with the LHS element or RHS element. What is the lambda? Lambda is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1. So second option. Okay, right. 26 will try. Next 27 also. AB is equal to BA is equal to I means B is equal to A inverse. So that is invertible matrix definition. AB is equal to, this is question number 26. AB is equal to BA is equal to I. So that implies A inverse is equal to B. So they ask B value, find A inverse from that. Next 27, okay, that only. 28. 28, A and B are two square matrices such that AB is equal to A, BA is equal to B, then A square is equal to how much? Then A square is equal to, this can be written as, A square can be written as A into A. A square can be written as A into A. Right. A means, okay, right, A means AB. AB. This A can be written as, sorry, this A can be written as AB. So, apply for this. BA. BA can be written as BA. Sorry. BA can be written as B. Again AB. AB can be written as A. So finally, A square value how much? A square value is equal to A. Second option. 29. Given matrix A is equal to 1 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 1. This is the given matrix A. Then A to the power of 100 value. Then A to the power of 100 value find out. Yes. Okay, I explained yesterday previous class. Cube roots of unity. One of the cube roots of unity is this one and this one. This is z cube minus 1. That implies 1 omega square. These are the cube roots of unity. 1 root omega is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega square is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. So in place of this one, substitute omega and omega square. Okay, right. Therefore, A is equal to 1 omega square omega 1. Right. Now they ask A power 100. So first of all, we find out A square value. What is A square value? 1 omega square omega 1. A into A. A square means A into A. 1 omega square omega 1 multiply 1 plus omega cube. 1 plus omega cube. Omega square plus omega square. Next omega plus omega. Next omega cube plus 1. Omega cube value, product of the cube roots of unity value 1. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Omega square, 2 omega square. 2 omega. Omega cube value 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So take 2 right outside. 1 omega square, omega, and this can be written as 1. So A square value is equal to 2 into A. A square value is equal to 2 into A. So depend on options. What are the options? Options 2 power 100A, 2 power 99A, and like that one. A cube value. A square is equal to 2A. Okay. If you take A cube how can write? A square into A square value 2A into A 2A square 2A square, right. A cube is equal to 2A square. How can write in terms of this one now? 2 to the power of 3 minus 1 into A square. Correct. 2 into A is equal to A. 2A square. A square value is equal to 2A. Sorry. 2 into 2A. A square value 2A. 2 into 2, 4A. This 4 can be written as 2 of 3 minus 1 into A. 3 minus 1 can be written as, how can you write 3 minus 1? 2 square, 4, right. A power 4. A power 4 is equal to, what is this value? So like that, otherwise from this directly write, A power 100 is equal to 2 to the power of, here cube means 3 power minus 3 minus 1. 100 minus 1 into A This is equal to 2 power 99 into A. This is the answer. Option, second option, 2 power 99 into A. So otherwise you continue one or two value check, you get same answer. Okay. Next 30. A and B are two matrices such that AB is equal to B and BA is equal to A. BA is equal to A. First of all, what they ask? A square plus B square. A square plus B square value how much? Right. First you take this one. AB is equal to B. AB is equal to B. Multiply on both sides. AB into AA. Multiply. ABA is equal to BA. Right. This is number one. From this, BA is equal to A. BA is equal to A. Multiply B on both sides. This is number 2. So add 1 plus 2. Add 1 plus 2. ABA plus BAB is equal to BA plus AB. BA plus AB. Add. Right. BA. What is BA? BA value A plus and AB value B. This value is equal to B. This is equal to BA value A. AB value B. A into A square. B into B square plus A plus B. So A square plus B square is equal to A plus B. Third option. Right. 31 do homework. Same applied like mathematical induction model. Next 32 also same number like that. We'll check out A square, A power n value given. Find A square value and A cube value given up. From that two values you find out remaining what is the A power n value like this one over here. Otherwise previous problems. Next 33. A is an orthogonal matrix, then orthogonal matrix. Orthogonal matrix definition is A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. By the properties of the orthogonal matrix, determinant of orthogonal matrix is equal to plus or minus 1. Determinant of that is conceptual bit det of A. So A is orthogonal matrix. The third option, determinant of A. This is the conceptual bit by the properties, Rydberg's properties. Det of A is equal to plus or minus 1 is the third option. Otherwise, once you take one example, A is equal to 1 by 3. 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 1. Take this example. Okay. Suppose let it, this is the A. What the question? A is the orthogonal matrix and that is plus or minus 1. Right. A is orthogonal matrix means by the definition A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. So we'll see what is A transpose. 1 by 3 this transpose 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 2 2 minus 1. Okay, right. A into A transpose 1 by 3 1 by 3 1 by 9 here. You multiply A value 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 2 to minus 1, right? 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 minus 2 minus 1, multiply 1 by 9, 1 plus 4 plus 4 9, 2 plus 2 minus 4, 2 plus 2 minus 4 0, 2 plus 4 minus 2 0, this one 2 plus 2 minus 4 0, 2 2 to 4 plus 1 5, 5 minus into minus plus 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 2 6, and 4 plus 2 plus 2, what identity matrix? Third row, once you check this one, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 2 is not yet. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 minus 2 is not yet. So apply, take here minus, and this value, suppose this value, take like this, and transpose, take here, one step. First row, third column, 2 minus 4. I can change. Same. Here, not change. Okay. Here. This is a 1 2 2. 2 1 minus 2, correct? Okay, here minus, here not plus, right? Now transpose 1 2 2, 2 1 minus 2, next 2 2 minus 1. So this is the transpose matrix. Just for example, third row, okay, it is clear. This also 2 plus 2 4 minus 4, it is 0. Next row, 2 plus 4 minus 2. Somewhere mistake. 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2. Next 2 minus 2 1. 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2. Transpose 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2. Okay, right. 2 minus 2 minus 2 1, right. One two two 2 1 minus 2. Okay. Right. Next 2 minus 2 1. Not there. This is correct. Here minus 2. Suppose you check this one. 1 plus 4. 1. This one. 1 means 2 plus 2 minus 4. Okay. 2 plus 2 minus 4, 0. This one. 2 minus 4 plus 2, 0. Right. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 4, 0. Next 2 plus 1, 2 to 4, 4 plus 1, 5, minus into minus, plus 4, 9 correct. 2 to 4, minus 2, minus 2. So this is 0. Next one. Third row first column, 2 to 4, sorry, 2 ones 2, minus 4 plus 2, this is 0. Next row, 2 to 4, minus 2, minus 2, 0. Last, third row, third column, 4 plus 4 plus 1, 9. So divided by 9, we get answer identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So A transpose is equal to identity matrix. So then A is the orthogonal matrix. Then what is the property of orthogonal matrix? Determinant is equal to plus or minus 1. Once that also. Okay. Okay. Inside you multiply. A is equal to 1 by 3. Otherwise, delta you want. Delta you want means 3 of 1 2 2 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 1. This is the, we know k into a, k determinant of k into a, either 3 by 3 matrix or 2 by 2 matrix, order n. This can be written as k cube into a, order n is equal to k power n into a. So that's why this is order 3 by 3. Therefore, 3 cube into det a, 3 cube into det a, right? 3 cube into det a, 27. This one 27. Sorry, 1 by 27. 1 by 3. This is equal to 1 by 3 cube. Is equal to 1 by 27. Right. 1 of, what is the determinant? 1 of 1 minus 4 minus 2 of 2 plus 4 plus 2 of minus 2 minus 2. So this is equal to 1 by 27 minus 3 and 4 plus 2 6, 6 2, so minus 12. This value, how much? Minus into minus. So minus 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 4, 4 2 8. How much this value? 28. 6 2 12. This is minus 3. 1 minus 4 minus 2 into 2 plus 4 plus 2 into minus 4, sorry, minus 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 minus 6. So 12. This implies minus 27 by 27 is equal to minus 1, either plus or minus 1. So that is the example for the orthogonal matrix. So this is the conceptual bit. Orthogonal matrix A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to I. Then the determinant is equal to plus or minus 1. Right. Next, 34. You will try like AB whole transpose property. AB whole transpose property. Apply. Next, 35. If A is skew symmetric matrix, then trace of A, skew symmetric matrix are diagonal matrix are zeros. HGF. So this is the skew symmetric matrix. Trace of the matrix definition is sum of all diagonal elements. Sum of all diagonal elements is equal to 0. Okay. Right. Third option. Next, 36. A and B be two symmetric matrices of the same order. A and B are two symmetric matrices. What is symmetric matrix definition? A transpose is equal to A, B transpose is equal to B. Symmetric matrix definition: A transpose is equal to A and B transpose is equal to B, right. Then the matrix AB minus BA, what is the AB minus BA value? The symmetric, skew symmetric, null matrix, identity matrix. Concept given, symmetric concept, take transpose, check this one. By the property of transpose matrix, A plus or A minus B, whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, like that. A transpose minus B transpose. Property of transpose matrix. Property of one more property of transpose matrix. AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose. This is equal to B transpose value B, A transpose value A minus A transpose value A, B transpose value B. Okay, if you take AB minus BA whole transpose is equal to, so if you take minus, take common, AB minus BA. Okay, A transpose is equal to minus A. This is the definition of skew symmetric matrix. So this is total as stated as A transpose is equal to minus of A. So option 2, second option. Right. 37. For two unimodular complex numbers means that modulus value is equal to magnitude is equal to 1. Unimodular means unit, that modular value is equal to modulus of Z1 and modulus of Z12, how much? 1. Right. Two complex numbers Z1 and Z2 given. Here Z1 bar minus Z2, Z2 bar Z1 whole inverse Z1 Z2 minus Z2 bar Z1 bar whole inverse is equal to, right. We know property, inverse property, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. B inverse into A inverse. Or B inverse into A inverse is equal to AB whole inverse. So first suppose this is like as B, A. B inverse into A inverse can be written as AB whole inverse. So then this is A. Therefore, this into this whole inverse, right? That implies Z1, Z2, Z1, Z2 minus Z2 bar, Z1 bar into AB, Z1 bar minus Z2, Z2 bar, Z1 whole inverse. That you will find, right? Multiply. First row, first column, Z1 into Z1 bar plus Z2 into Z2 bar. First element complete. First row, second column, minus Z1 into Z2 plus Z1 into Z2. Second row, this is minus. Second row, first column. Okay, Z1 bar into Z2 bar minus of, here minus is there, plus Z1 bar Z2 bar, complete. Second row, second column, minus into minus plus, okay, Z2 into Z2 bar plus Z1 into Z2 bar, Z1 bar, whole inverse. Z1 into Z1 bar, complex number properties, that is modulus Z1 square, okay, plus mod Z2 square, this value same 0. Minus z1 z2 plus z1 z2 cancel. So this also, this is 0, this is 0. z2 into z2 bar, mod z2 bar whole square plus mod z1 square. Unimodular, given unimodular, two complex numbers z1 and z2 are unimodular means that value is equal to 1. Therefore 1 square plus 1 square, 1 0 0 1 plus 1. This value is equal to 2 0 whole inverse 0 2 inverse. So for this matrix inverse find. What is A inverse definition? 1 by det A into adjoint A. What is det A? Det A means 4. Adjoint A, just 2 by 2 matrix interchange is the same. Apply minus 0 0 only. What is the inverse? That implies 2 by 4, 1 by 2 0 0 1 by 2. So question number 37, 1 by 2 0 0 1 by 2, third option. Next, 38 you do, 39 also you try. B inverse into A inverse whole inverse. Apply property, AB whole inverse property. B inverse whole inverse, A inverse whole inverse is equal to A inverse into B inverse into inverse, that implies A inverse whole inverse value A, B. So just to find AB value, we will get answer. Right. 40. This also will try. A square minus 5A, just to multiply A inverse inside and find the value. Next, 41. Suppose A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. B is equal to det A into A inverse. If det A is equal to minus 5, then determinant of B value how much? That is the question. Right. B is equal to det A. A inverse formula. 1 by det A into adjoint A. 1 by det A into adjoint A. Det A cancel. B is equal to adjoint A. Question is determinant of B. Determinant of B. Both sides take data. What is adjoint A? Formula. Determinant of adjoint A is equal to, order is was given, order 3 by 3. Order 3 by 3. Order 3 by 3. So a determinant of adjoint A, determinant of A whole power n minus 1. N is the order of the matrix. Order 3 by 3. 3 minus 1. So det A square. What is det A value? Minus 5. Minus 5 whole square is equal to 25. So fourth option. Next, 42. If the product of the matrix B with the matrix A has the inverse C, question is, if the product of matrix B with the matrix A has the inverse of C, so that is the given condition. So BA is equal to C inverse, right? Okay, but the matrix C given, then find A inverse. Find A inverse. Okay, question is, then find A inverse, right? A is equal to B inverse into C inverse. A is equal to B inverse into BA is equal to C inverse. B take this side. So A is equal to B inverse into C inverse. We want A inverse. Apply A inverse on both sides. A inverse is equal to B inverse into C inverse whole inverse. Therefore, A inverse is equal to C inverse whole inverse B inverse whole inverse. That implies C into B. So, just to multiply CB. What is CB? Minus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, B value 2, 6, 4, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Just to multiply 3 by 3 matrix. Right? I am multiplied here. Minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 3. Just check your options, sir. No need all multiply that also. Minus 3. In all 4 options, first element minus 3 is there. Right. Consider second element. Right. This is 6. Okay. This is 6. First row, second column. Minus 6, 0, plus 1, minus 5. Okay. Minus 5 options. 1 and 3. So eliminate second and 4 options to eliminate. Enough. Okay. 1 and 3 tallied coincide with first and second elements. Right. Now look, third element will decide option. Minus 4 plus 0 minus 1. Minus 4 plus 0 minus 1. So answer minus 5. Which option is minus 3, minus 5, minus 5? How the option is 3. The first 3 elements coincide with the third option. Enough. Complete problem. No need to do remaining elements. Okay. Save time. Next 43. Third option. 43. 1 minus tan theta. Tan theta 1. Okay. 1 tan theta minus tan theta 1 inverse, okay, is equal to A minus B is equal to A minus B, B A. Then which options are satisfies? This as it is, you write same minus tan theta. Tan theta 1 inverse A inverse formula 1 by det A into 1 by det A 1 already minus is there 1 plus tan square theta determinant. Just interchange this element same as it is. Sign change 1 by det A into adjoint A, that implies minus tan theta. So tan theta, okay, is equal to this as it is. Afterwards we equate. So inside you multiply 1 minus tan theta 1, inside you multiply, otherwise right here 1 by 1 plus tan square theta, right outside first matrix 1 minus tan theta 1, and next second matrix 1 minus tan theta 1, visible students, this minus tan theta is equal to A minus B, B A, okay. Okay. 1 minus tan square theta. First row, first column divided by direct. Inside you multiply. Next, first row, second column minus tan theta minus 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Enough. Why means this however same elements A, B, B, A. We want A the value coincide. This no need. Just to compare with this one. A is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta minus B is equal to minus of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Minus minus cancel. This is the in the options cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, sin theta, cos theta options. So which is the for which formula this is 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta, that is cos 2 theta formula in terms of tan. Therefore A is equal to cos 2 theta, B is equal to this is sin 2 theta formula. So this is sin 2 theta. So option second option is correct answer. Right. 44 will try easy. A multiplicative group of 2 by 2 matrices of the form x x x, then the inverse of the matrix simple, that is 44 what 2 2 2 2. Inverse means what? 1 by det A into adjoint. What is det A? 2 2 is 4. 4 minus 4. Determinant A is equal to 0. What is A inverse definition? A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A, but det A is equal to 0. What is the definition for to get A inverse? A is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular means compulsory it is determinant not equal to 0. Here det A is equal to 0 means inverse does not exist. Does not exist. So first option does not exist. First option. 45. If A is a square matrix such that A cube is equal to 0, then I plus A whole inverse, I plus A whole inverse is equal to is, they ask this, right? Take this one, A cube is equal to 0. I plus a whole inverse they are asking. I will take add on both sides I. Add on both sides. Suppose this is treated as null matrix. I plus A cube is equal to 0 plus what is its order, that much order, that also. A cube, I plus A cube is equal to 0 plus I, right? This is in the form of write like this, I cube plus A cube is equal to I. Why means identity matrix how many times you multiply, resultant answer is I. So this is in the form of A cube plus B cube formula. That implies I plus A into A plus B into A square plus AB plus B square is equal to I plus I square value I plus IA value A square is equal to I. Question is I plus a whole inverse. So I plus a whole inverse is equal to I plus A square. So here option not like that. A cube plus B cube formula, A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Okay. Right. I minus A plus A square. So the third option. Fourth option also is there. I plus A square like that. So that is wrong. Third option is correct answer. I minus A plus A square. So this is the matrix chapter. students, we will continue our next class with the next chapter. Thank you.